All right, we're back, and we're going to be talking about polygons. And polygon is a closed figure framed by 3 or more line segments called sides. And classifying them goes by how many sides they have. I have only put 4 of different ones up here. There is 7-sided, 8-sided, 9-sided, and 10-sided. By all means, do your research on it, right? But the 3-sided is the triangle, and I drew a picture. The 4-sided is a quadrilateral. And the 5 is a pentagon. And the 6 is a hexagon. And let me just, we were doing some stuff in here in class, and I just want to erase this. Okay, there we go. All right. Next. So, using formulas to find perimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle. Formula sheet. We have a formula sheet that we use, and it is given to you at the test at the time. And this is the formula that they use. It's the perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And then this rectangle has 5 inches and 9 inches. 9 inches for the length, 5 inches for the width, or 5 inches for the length, 9 inches for the width. I don't think it matters what order you put them in as long as you're multiplying them twice with each number. 18 plus 10 is 28 inches. And that would be that answer. That is how you find the perimeter. Not that hard. It is basically taking each side and adding it all together. If you wanted to do 5 plus 5 and 9 plus 9, that's okay too. But this is the formula they give you on the test. And if they ask you for the perimeter, I would hope that you would use this one. All right. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 11 inches and a width of 3 inches. Now this just gives you a word sentence with no picture whatsoever. And some people get a little nervous. I'm a visual person. I know what this would look like, but maybe some other people are not. So you would use your formula sheet and you would say the length is 11 inches and the width is 3 inches. If you just put it in, you would get the same answer, 28 inches. I'll get it. 28 inches. 2 times 11, 2 times 3, 22 plus 6, 28 inches. And then it had a multiple choice to choose from, and it was C. Next up, perimeter of a square and a perimeter triangle. I threw this up there real quick just in case you see it. It's not really on your formula sheet, so you may not get one, but it's not that hard to figure out. If they give you a side of 50 yards, a square has all equal sides, and you would just do 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, or 4 times 50, and you get 200 yards. Perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side, and if they gave you these 3 numbers, then you would just add them all up. The perimeter is the outside of the shape, and they want to know if you needed a fence to go around it, or if you needed a gate of some sort. What would your perimeter be? If you needed to block in your pool, that would be a perimeter, and you would need a fence to go around the pool to lock it up. That is the questions that they would ask in real life situations.